Hello beautiful people, and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here with another video for you guys, and it had been a very long time since I've done a sit down, an update, a chit chat, a one-on-one. So I figured it was long overdue, and like I missed you guys so much. So a lot of kisses out to you guys. Thank you so much to everyone who has continuously supported me, who has remained subscribed to my channel even during my ins and outs and my hiatuses. But your girl is back, and yeah, I figured I'd catch you guys up on what's been going on with me. So let's get right into it. So if in case you guys haven't seen my newest video, I'll go ahead and link it right up above in the I button or whatever. You already know that I've moved into my space. So since then, I have already made a month of single living, and your girl is just super thankful, super grateful. I honestly don't know what I would have done if I hadn't like achieved getting my own space, because I was just in a place of turmoil, honestly. And so it was really stressful. It was really hard, but all in all, thank God I was able to get through it and I got my place. So it's officially been a month since I moved into my apartment, and it's been one of the dopest experiences so far, with the exception of running out of toilet paper. Make sure you do not run out of toilet paper whatsoever. Yeah, so I made a month on the 5th of September, and since then, honestly, a lot has just happened. I got my bed finally, so I'm like super comfy and super chilled. If you guys are wondering like where I got this decorative pillow, I got this one at Target for like 10 bucks, and it's one of my favorite pillows to just like nestle and rest my head on. I got my bed, and that was one of my biggest like go-tos and one of my main purchases, because since my last bed had to be disposed of, and we'll get into that when I actually sit down and talk to you guys about everything that happened prior to like all of this. But I got my bed, and it's been roughly about 2 weeks, so I've just been enjoying her, breaking her in. There's still a lot more things that I want to get, but obviously that's going to be done little by little. So that's been my biggest purchase so far for my space. And you can see right behind me, I also have my floor lamp. I got that one over at Target for $6.99. And then the shelving, I already had that prior from my last space. I'm probably gonna switch those out to a more mature color, because when I got them I was in high school, so they've lasted me quite a while. I'll probably like fix them up and use them for something else, but right now they'll do. Yeah, I mean, single living is honestly like, I'm so happy. I honestly believe it's one of the things that as women we need to go through in our lives, just so that we figure ourselves out a lot better. So within this past month, I've been able to learn that I really do enjoy taking my time. I love having my peace and quiet. I love being able to just wake up and do what I want to do. So whether that be make myself a cup of tea, or hop in the shower, or just like jam out and vibe to some music before I get my day started. Like, I just enjoy taking my time, and it's been really helpful to my peace of mind. Like, I've always enjoyed peace and quiet, so I feel like I get a lot more done, and I feel like just mentally I'm ready to take on the world. So as far as myself, I've also learned that I can be very domestic. So I love cleaning now. I make sure that my space is like super clean, and at least organized to its best ability. So once I start really setting my space up, and I'll show you guys more of the ins and outs of what my space is looking like, then you'll see what I mean. But so far, my bathroom is the main area that I tend to clean the most, as well as my bedroom / living area. So I'll soon be getting some more furniture in order to put majority of my clothes away, and I'll go ahead and take you guys with me when I start doing that. But for the most part, I'm really comfortable with where I am right now. Now, as far as me personally, your girl is bomb. I am super happy. I've honestly just been like tunnel vision, so I've been focused. I'm constantly always working. I work 5 days out the week, so obviously I gotta bring the moolah in so that a girl could get her rent paid. And then creatively, I am starting to find my groove again, so I'm trying to make sure that I'm filming regularly whenever I have time in the morning, or if I have time on my days off, then those are usually my filming / editing days, so that I can get these videos out for you guys. And of course, always trying to like partner and work with brands and really just expand myself and sell myself more so now that I am alone and I'm able to like really think things through for myself. I really enjoy coming home, like the feeling of just like popping my keys in and turning my knob and just coming into my space is one of the best feelings on earth, so I'm super happy about that. Of course, when it comes to hair tutorials and hair vibes, you guys already know that I got that on lock, so you will definitely be seeing a lot more hair tutorials, especially now like with my space. I'm able to move around how I please, so I will be doing an updated wash day routine for you guys because a lot of you have been asking me about that. And my hair has gotten significantly longer, so I'm sure you guys could see that for yourselves in my most recent upload. A lot of you guys have also been asking me when I'm going to straighten. I will be straightening my hair soon because I have been getting the itch to do so for the past couple of months. I was just waiting for it to get cooler because, you know, you want to avoid the humidity and the frizz. So I'm just waiting for it to get a little chillier before I actually go and get her straightened. Oh, of course, family life. Like with my parents, they're just super grateful and super excited and really happy for me at this point. I'm happy that we're in a space where like the grip has like slowly loosened. So, you know, my mom for sure, she obviously misses me, but we don't live that far from each other, which is great. So whenever she feels like, or whenever she has free time, then she'll come and stop by and see me. But we don't live that far from each other, thankfully. But they're really excited and they're really happy. They also have a much better peace of mind now that I'm in my space. So both my mom and my dad are just like super ecstatic that I'm in my space, as well as my brothers. So that's really dope. And they're just like super proud of me, which is really encouraging as well. So that just motivates me to like make my lifestyle and my living, you know, more of an example, and just like whatever trials and tribulations you're going through, like you can definitely get through it with perseverance and with prayer. I prayed a lot on getting my space. I think another thing that really helped me was leaving my last relationship, honestly, because at that time I wasn't in the greatest headspace. I honestly wasn't even myself. So leaving that behind and just completely letting go is really what helped me, you know, get my focus back and have the tunnel vision in order to persevere and really, you know, focus on what it was that I wanted. So yeah, I mean, I have been amazing. I've been super grateful. I've just been thanking God every single day, every time I wake up and I'm just in my space, and I'm hella happy. And I'm glad that I'm able to be in my creative space once again. It honestly feels like when I was back in my old bedroom. So I'm super happy about that. Also, if you guys are wondering about my specs, I got these from Firmoo Optical. These are my favorite pair so far, and I get a lot of compliments when I'm wearing them. They're kind of like a cat eye shape. So as you can see, they're like pointed up top, and then they have this kind of like octagon vibe going on that I really like. So I'll make sure to leave the link to these down below, as well as a voucher code, that way you can buy one get one free. But yeah, you know, I just wanted to fill you guys all in, and I missed you all mucho, and it's been a hot minute, but your girl is back. So stay tuned for the next couple of videos I have lined up for you guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.